Hi everyone, welcome back. So today I have a what I eat in a day video because I thought I'd share on my channel a little bit more insight into my diet, my exercise, because I don't know if you've noticed, but recently after I got corona really badly, I have spent so long and hard concentrating on my diet and what I eat and stuff, and so many of you have commented on whether I've had a facelift or injections or something, and I haven't. I have just really added so many nutrients to my diet and really concentrated on getting in a really healthy state. So I thought I'd share with you a little insight into what I've been eating, and yeah, hopefully it can help you guys out. So first up, let's talk breakfast. So one of the options that I choose for breakfast is actually porridge. I go for the real oats and I cook it on a hob and not a microwave. I never have microwaves. I don't know why, I don't like them. I prefer to cook everything in a more natural way on a hob, and I put frozen berries in, sometimes frozen blueberries that I've opted here for today, and then I sprinkle a little bit of honey over the top just to add that little bit of extra sweetness. I sometimes do add cinnamon, I can't even say it, cinnamon. Sometimes add that as well because it's actually really good for you. So I wanted to introduce you to something called Cola Slim by So Body Co. It's this shake right here, and I wanted to tell you that if I introduce you to anything to do with beauty or diet, it's something that I tried, tested and loved on my channel. It's really important for me that you know that. So this is something that I've been trying, and when I read on the website what it was about and did my research on it, I was like, oh my gosh, I need to try it. So this shake is packed full of nutrients, and the best thing that I love about it is that it's packed full of collagen. Just let me read off the back here a few of the ingredients that it includes: vitamin A, vitamin D, E, K, C, vitamin B12, which is really good if you're a vegetarian, because a lot of veggies, I think, struggle to get B12 into their diet. Biotin, which is good for your hair. Iron, zinc, copper. It's just packed full of nutrients, and it is full of collagen. So we lose our collagen when we're about 25. It starts to deteriorate, so our skin starts to, unfortunately, sag. But consuming collagen is a way to keep adding it to your skin. So I don't know if you've noticed, but my skin feels so much plumper, so much healthier since I've been really concentrating on adding these nutrients, and I think it is largely down to having this every day, because it already feels so much plumper. I know lots of you have commented on it. So yeah, I'm gonna make this shake and show you what I do. So I have two flavors. I have a chocolate one and I have a vanilla one. So I use almond milk, but you can actually use it with water if you don't like the taste of almond milk. This as well, for those of you that are really struggling with your weight, it is a great meal replacement. I am all for having shakes like this because I know a lot of people starve themselves, and I cannot express enough, if you're trying to lose weight, do not starve yourself. Definitely research anything that I've told you on this, but I'm going to explain a little bit into why you should never starve yourself. I see so many people skipping meals, starving themselves, and then running marathons in the gym, and I cannot tell you how bad that is for losing weight, because when you starve yourself, your body does not think that it's getting food anytime soon. So the next time you eat, it will store more of that fat to compensate because it thinks you will starve yourself again. So it thinks that you're not getting enough food, so when you do feed it, it will cling onto the fat, which is why a lot of people eat and it goes straight to their hips. Say, I hear that saying so much, and that is the reason why, combined with doing excessive cardio in the gym, and your body will be thinking that it's not getting enough food to run a long distance. So you're slowing your metabolism down so much that you'll get to a point where the littlest thing that you eat will make you put on weight. So instead of skipping a meal, if you have something like this, packed full of nutrients, just to keep you tying over until you're ready to eat a proper meal. It's great for people like me who are running around the city, skipping meals if I'm too busy. If I can just drink a shake and get all the nutrients in, it stops my body getting into that starvation mode, which is key for losing weight. That's my theory. Anyway, go do your research. I've done a lot of research over the time into what I eat and nutrients and vitamins and stuff, because my body reacts very it's very responsive to what I put in my body, so I have to feed it with good stuff and treat it well. So this is what I found out. Do go away and do your own research on it. I can't recommend that enough. If you hear something that I say, definitely go Google it yourself. But I just wanted to share my tips and tricks with you. I can do a lot more of this kind of video. I'm very passionate about what is it? Your body is a temple, you have to treat it well. So next up for lunch, I've just got avocado and toast. I have blended avocado, tomatoes, chili flakes, add a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, popped it all in and spread it on some wholemeal brown bread. I always go for this kind of like brown rustic wholemeal bread over white bread. I don't think I ever touch a white carb just because it makes me feel really ill. So as I said, my body is very responsive to what I put in my body, so naturally I always want to eat quite healthily. So for dinner, I am gonna make a roast dinner, and I was always really put off by a roast dinner because it just looks like so much effort when my mum does it in the kitchen, and actually has fast become the quickest, most simplest meal for me to do, and I'll tell you why. I quickly pick up from my local Sainsbury's a bag of carrots, cauliflower and broccoli, chuck it in a pan. I then whack in the oven a sweet potato mash already done. It takes like 2 minutes. I then make some gravy with the water from the broccoli because it gets the nutrients in it still, and I add the tiniest little stock cube. I'm not a huge fan of these stock cubes because they're so salty, so I just use a little tiny bit of it. I blend some tomatoes, put it in, and I actually don't eat very much meat anymore. I'm not vegetarian, but I don't eat meat, if that makes sense. I don't want to rule myself out that I'm never going to eat meat again, but I just tend to not eat it anymore. So I've opted for some veggie sausages which are already cooked. I just bought them from Sainsbury's, and actually I've just chucked all this together and it's created a roast dinner. And it is so full of nutrients. You've got your vegetables, you've got potatoes, and yeah, it's really quick and simple to do. So this is something that I'm opting to do more and more, just packing full of nutrients. And actually midway through the day, I 100% always get in a juice or a smoothie, and my favorite thing to do is to go to Joe and the Juice and get a smoothie. So I'm just about to hop on. My favorite at the moment is like an orangey gingery carrot one. I find when I opt for like orangey juices, I can really see the difference in my skin, like the color of it. I look more glowing. So let's pop along and go get a juice. So I got the Go Away Doc. It's got oranges, carrots and ginger in it because Go Away Doc sums up the last few months for me for sure. But I sometimes like making this by myself. Get some carrots and oranges and ginger from the supermarket. It's just easier, isn't it, sometimes to go to Joe and the Juice. But yeah, I just thought I'd share my little Joe and the Juice haul for you. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video today. Do give it a thumbs up if you want to see more of these videos, or comment down below if you want to see more about my diet, my lifestyle, because you guys know me. I go to the gym, I work out most days, I live such a healthy lifestyle. I don't really share much of that side of it on my YouTube channel. It's mostly all about fashion and beauty, but so much of fashion and beauty, to feel good about yourself, it always has to start from within. Like, you can buy an amazing outfit, but if you don't feel good from about yourself from within, it's not going to make a difference. So I would love to share more of my little tips and tricks on this channel, so do let me know in the comments below if you want to see more of this. I will link the Colour Slim shake down below. Do let me know if you order it and how you get on with it and stuff. I'd love to know. I am very happy with my new firmer face. I never thought I'd say that on, but honestly I feel like it's worked wonders, and my hair feels thicker and fuller as well and glossier. I feel like just in the past few weeks I feel like a different human, and I can only put it down to my diet. So I definitely recommend the diet plan that I've been doing because it works wonders for me. So I hope you like it too, and yeah, I'll see you very, very soon for another video. Bye.
You know that I'm the queen of overthinking. It's like we're done before we even started. So if this is the